If you want to remove objects from photos on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case we can open the gallery. Now over here we need to simply open the photo that we wish to edit. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And we're gonna tap on this icon over here, this square with a pen. So let's go here. Of course we need to agree that we want to use the gallery editor. Now we're gonna need to find the create option, which should be here at the bottom. And then here we can find the erase tool, which we need to get. Now in my case I didn't download it yet, so I have to download it first. So here we have the progress, wait for the tool to be downloaded. And then once it is downloaded, you should be able to tap on it again. Unfortunately, we have to use a Xiaomi account in addition to that, so let's quickly sign into a Xiaomi account. Okay, and finally we can use the magic eraser. So now over here we have a couple of options, of course, you can choose from. I'm gonna stick with remove objects, and I'm just gonna select the area that I want to remove. So I'm gonna try to get rid of this toy over here. Now once the toy is selected, I can just tap on start, and then after a couple of seconds it should be removed from the picture. So let's see how the app handles with this task. And there we go, it is completely removed. There's pretty much no trace after it, so it did a pretty solid job. Of course, if there is anything left after removing the object, if you want to still make some fixes, you can still select whatever you want to fix, and you should be able to keep erasing stuff from your photo. And once you are done, just tap on this check in the bottom right corner and then tap on save in the upper right corner over here, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.